Over my years of raising turkeys, I've often encountered the widespread belief that turkeys are more sensitive than chickens. Let me share a secret with you. This isn't true at all. The reality is simpler. Turkeys just have different needs than chickens. When we understand and meet these needs, raising turkeys becomes just as straightforward as raising any other poultry. The first crucial element in raising turkeys revolves around leg health, closely tied to managing heat, water, and their day space. Unlike chickens, turkey poults have a unique circulatory system, making their legs especially vulnerable to cold. That's why I've adopted an unconventional brooding approach. Instead of providing heat from above, I use an electric heating pad under their sleeping area, creating warmth from below. This simple change makes a world of difference in preventing leg problems. The next crucial element in turkey: temperature management. While chicken raisers are accustomed to starting their chicks at 35 degrees Celsius, turkey poults need a warmer environment of 39 degrees Celsius in their first week. This isn't about being sensitive, it's simply their biological requirement. I always keep a reliable thermometer in their space and monitor closely. The poults themselves will let you know if they're comfortable. When they're spread out contentedly instead of huddling together, you know you've got it right. Water management plays a vital role in leg health too. I've found that installing drinkers over plastic flooring prevents the common issue of wet bedding and keeps their legs dry and warm. When it comes to outdoor time, I use a mobile coop with a transparent roof, creating a natural solar environment that turkeys absolutely thrive in. Just remember to include proper ventilation. We want warm, happy poults, not overheated ones. Nutrition is another area where turkeys differ from chickens. They need higher protein levels in their feed, and if your poults were incubator hatched, adding probiotics can significantly improve their feed conversion rates. Think of it as giving them the healthy gut bacteria they would naturally get from their mother during the hatching process. One aspect of turkey raising that often catches newcomers off guard is the need for proactive disease prevention, particularly against histomoniasis. This parasitic infection is so common that it's better to plan for it than hope to avoid it. After the 4th week, you should consult with a veterinarian about preventive treatment. This disease develops gradually, and some turkeys show more resistance than others, but early intervention is crucial. If you ever process a turkey and find an affected liver, take immediate action to protect your remaining flock. Here's the most encouraging part. While the first 4 weeks require careful attention, adult turkeys are remarkably hardy birds. Once you've successfully navigated the early stages by following these guidelines, you'll be rewarded with robust, disease-resistant adults that actually fare better than chickens in many ways. Adult turkeys show impressive cold tolerance and have a lower incidence of illness compared to laying hens. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we'll dive into adult turkey free-range care, specific needs, and the most effective auto-cleaning coop designs to keep your mature flock healthy. This is exclusive content you won't find elsewhere on the internet, crafted from our unique experience and innovative approach to raising poultry.